you remember the Hoover Junior U1104 that I finished off and we did the after video of not so long ago? Well, I remembered that I had another one up in the loft. This is one that we would have seen many years ago. We did fully refurbish it, and oh my goodness, look how faded it has gone. We're going to compare these two, check that I have done them both to the same standard, see if this one has suffered any from being in the loft with its belt fitted for the last 4 or 5 years, I can't remember now, and have another video with 2 Hoover Juniors. What more could we possibly want? Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and Hoover chums. How are you today? Yes, these machines should look the same, and it does highlight just how unfaded this one is. It is mint, immaculate, astonishingly good. I mean, this one was as well. What have we got? U1104 from November 1988. I haven't date checked these together, so it'd be interesting to see. U1104 from April 1987. So yes, this one is a year older than this one, but the same machines. There'll be the serial number that differs really. The Hoover logo on this bag is a lot more faded than this one, although the zip on it is original and is very good indeed. Ooh, we do have a HEPA flow fitted. That's good then. It's full of old dirt. I sort of wish I'd taken that out before I did store it away, but a HEPA flow nonetheless. And I saw a brush roll, and I think there is a belt. This one is as we would have left it from the after video, so we know that that one works. Right. Take the cable off. We have the Livia plug fitted to this. Very nice little plug indeed. Right, yeah, I'm hoping this one still runs as well as it would have done whenever we would have last seen it. Let's find out. That one's got a little tick from somewhere, a little bit annoying. Well, it does seem a lot quieter than this one. Let's plug this one in. Now that I have my nice new vintage MK socket up here, we can plug 2 machines in at once. Right, on. They both run with no issues at all. Well, they both work fine. Let's have a look underneath both of these machines. The base plates, the one on my other one is less chipped, so I think we might put the non-chipped base plate there and the chipped base plate there. Otherwise, a bit of lint there. The brush roll on our latest one is worse than the brush roll on my original one. My original one is nice and stiff with non-splayed bristles. This one is a lot more worn out. So we're going to take the belt off and take the brush roll out. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's certainly better than not having one at all, but it's just a bit used. It's just a bit worn. Some of them are a bit splayed, and it's all very soft. So I have this. Got this from Barton's, and I've been waiting for an excuse to use it. And I think this one is it. This machine is mint enough to deserve a new brush roll, although immediately the bristles aren't quite as stiff as I was hoping, but they are there, and also has brand new bearings, and they sound a bit less tickety than those, so I think that's going to help. Otherwise, yeah, okay, they're probably about as stiff as the other one. Oh well, never mind. We shall pop our new brush roll into place. Then I'm going to get the belt fitted, get it all back up and running, and we'll see if it sounds any different. Right, did that work? We have our Junior with its new brush roll. I'm going to stick it on setting 3 and see if we can get it track marks. Oh, that's a lot quieter. Oh yeah. Very nice indeed, lots of lovely track marks, and yeah, that sounds a lot smoother. One of those old bearings, despite me filling it back full of grease, it was tickety. Let's see if this performs any differently. This one digs in just a little bit more, but I think they're going to keep them as they are, because having a nice new brush roll in this one is going to just make it that little bit nicer, especially when it's just so much more unfaded. Right, well that's the machines themselves sorted and dealt with and checked over. Just one more thing I want us to have a look at. And that is to have a look at some tools. Yes, I have the full tool, well, the tool set for one of these. I know it's the full tool set. Yeah, this and that. There is the inner of a box. I think I had 2 at one point and one was ruined. But we have, we've got a better one of these, haven't we? We got the white one that we played with in the the after video of that one. They're still both genuine Hoover. But yeah, one is a black one and one is a white one. Well, the white one's probably going to match the nicest, so we shall fit this to that machine, and then, well, I guess we can fit this one straight to this machine, and we can almost use both at the same time, and then not even bother with the hose because we don't need it. So, does one of these have better tool suction than the other? They're both exactly the same there. This is the correct width hose though. I won't fully fit it, but as you can see, it sits on there tighter. It's just one bit tighter. Then I've got the oldie style, probably for an earlier one of these, to be honest. And then I think they did go to the black tools to match the turbo power one for the other ones. But tools is tools. I think that's good enough, and that's pretty much all I wanted to do today. I remembered I had a second one. It's very faded. I mean, we did retro bright it, and look, you can see where the thing has just been sat in my loft. It's no good for it. I think I need to get it gone, get it sold. Somebody else can re-retro bright it because it probably come up okay, and then they can enjoy it. But yeah, I've enjoyed having both of these. It's astonishing to see just how much more unfaded, and this would have looked like that once. Just the perils of storing vacuums in your loft. Yeah, 2 identical Hoover Juniors, 1 year apart. What do you think of the old humble U1104? It's not bad. I don't hate it, but I do prefer the earlier juniors, and then I really prefer the turbo power for that style of brush roll. Bless their little heart. But here are two that we have saved, and that will do. So, until the next Hoover Junior happiness, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.